Two, three, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Sometimes I just word things poorly, and you can't understand. It's frustrating, 'cause I know what I mean, but there's no way you can. That's the worst thing about talking. Sometimes it makes no sense. That's why I really should have kept quiet, so we could still be friends. I miss talking to you when I still knew how to. I miss talking to you when I still knew how to live in a world inside my head and stay away from words. 'Cause every time I try and use them, it ends up getting worse. Talking can be very useful when it is done right. I'll think more about what I say and try again next time. I miss talking to you when I still knew how to. I miss talking to you when I still knew how to.
I'm filming, well, obviously I'm filming right now, but I'm waiting for my muffins to be done, and I'm like editing a video that I think I might want to post. But right now it's so cold in my house, it's freezing. So I've just been having a cozy little day, reading my book, editing some videos, wearing some cozy PJs.
Word things poorly, and you can't understand. It's frustrating, 'cause I know what I mean, but there's no way you can. That's the worst thing about talking. Sometimes it makes no sense.
A little muffin update. They were actually really good. I know what my face said, but they were really good. The people in my household thought they were also good. She's a homemaker. I made blueberry and banana muffins. I've never done that before, and they turned out really good. But I'll be here in my room. I've been in my bed all day. Well, not all day, but like today is a comfy day. I'm not doing anything. I don't plan on doing anything. It's 6 o'clock on a Saturday. Oh, it's 6 o'clock on a Saturday, and this is where I am. Okay, anyways, look, this is where I'll be in my pajamas editing a video. I think I might watch TV, but look, like, I'm cozy, and it's freezing in my house, and I don't have anything else to do, but this is what I want to do. I'll do something another day during the week. Anyways, hit me up if you want any muffins. My blank screen. Update, it's Sunday, it's not Saturday, so it makes it much better because on the Sabbath we rest, you know? Look at my, on the Sabbath we rest. My Bob said to rest, so we're resting. And I did something yesterday. I messed my Bob up. She's messed up. Anyways, bye.